Julie. We got a box for the M4. I'll do a quick unboxing here. And while I'm at it, you guys will see, we're gonna do a quick ceramic coat on this. I actually have a kind of do-it-at-home ceramic coat kit. Not to say that they're not all ceramic coats are do-it-at-home, but you know you can do them. Got this for Palm Performance. I'll leave a link down below in the description to this guy. But this is the same dude who did my front splitter, which I really love. And it's still alive, which is good. Scrape it on a couple things, as you do, driveways and things like that. Hasn't died yet. I'm sure it will eventually, but you know, we'll try to keep it alive as long as possible. I think it's been, I don't know, 2 months now that I've had it on the car, something like that. Okay. Nice and bubble wrapped. That's good. Woohoo. Yeah. Look at that one. Hell yeah. So we got the M4 carbon fiber rear diffuser. This is just really gonna, I don't know, accentuate the rear of the M4. It needs something like this. It's just gonna look damn good. So, ceramic coat this. Not sure if you've heard of these guys, but it's Armored Shield 10 or whatever. I don't know. I'm always bad. Armored Shield 11? I don't know. IX? I don't know what that means. I suck at Roman numerals. Don't blame me. I'm just gonna call it Armor Shield IX because I'm stupid, I guess. Very nice packaging. I don't know how the heck to open it. Okay, there we go. Ooh. Wow. It's a really nice box here, actually. Ooh. Would you look at that? Very cool. Protected by the king. And then we got a really nice little bottle there. So it's got the little bottle here of the ceramic coating stuff. Then down here in the bottom, let's see what we got. Probably have like applicator cloth. Oh yeah, microfiber applicator cloth. And then the little, this is for applying it here. Microfiber for polishing it out. Some gloves, which you definitely want to wear. So whenever you're using detailing products, you want to wear that stuff. And then the instructions. So super cool. All right, so we actually use this little guy here. And we are gonna wrap that with these. This is a really cool kit. Now eventually I'm gonna do the full car, but for right now, this makes it easy. So we'll throw on these gloves. I personally use gloves all the time when I'm working on stuff. Now, how many did it come with? Is it just 2? Yep, it's just 2, which is perfectly fine. I'm cool with that. If you don't have this type of glove, I recommend you pick some up. They're pretty freaking awesome. So we're gonna take that and we'll wrap this just like that. It looks like we're gonna shake up the bottle, apply some drops, and then we kind of go in a grid pattern. So yeah, we'll wipe across the area, first horizontal and then vertically to ensure even application. So we're just basically gonna do one of these where we're going kind of across. Now this area is gonna be a little tough to work with, so I don't know. I'm gonna do my best that I can to work on this part. But we do that, we'll spread it across till the whole area is covered. We'll add anything. We're gonna let it sit between 1 and 5 minutes, and then we'll remove the residue with this nice little microfiber. And all their stuff is really cool. You see that? It's kind of embossed with their logo. Very neat. Presentation, I'm giving these guys a freaking 10 out of 10. This looks badass. It's really nice. Okay, we're gonna shake this up. Let's see. Okay, just a little style of just that little dropper piece up in the top. Wipe this down real quick. So if you have a brand new piece, just so you guys know, you would want to wash, clay bar, polish, and then apply this. This is the simple method, so we're just going with wash it and apply it since it's a brand new piece. We are good to go. because I'm not worried about it because it's brand new carbon. So we're just gonna hit a couple of drops here. This is probably more than I need, but that's okay. Gonna be generous. And then I want to watch the area, make sure it's covering it fully. I'm gonna add a couple drops. Basically says add drops as necessary. I'm going a little heavier on this because I can, but you don't have to, obviously. Okay, I'm already screwing up. I'm going both ways, but whatever. This is just a weird piece, so I am kind of just gonna cover it how I can at first. Stuff smells gnarly, so I'd probably recommend to do this outdoors. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm kind of doing the up and down wipes now. All right, so now we're pretty much gonna wait 1 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna be on the safe side here, and I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes, come back, and we'll go install this.
1 hour later.
Because of the temperature out, we're gonna go ahead and buff this stuff out with this microfiber. Basically, we're just taking off any of the excess. Gosh, it really does add even more shine to this part, which is great. It's also just gonna protect the carbon, add a little bit of a UV protectant, also a scratch protectant, which is huge. Carbon fiber, a lot of the time the clear coat can get kind of messed up. So definitely like a must do for any carbon parts, in my opinion. I think you have to do this. And I always do this because it just makes the stuff last. All right, now we can kind of just clean this all up. This kit is great. Super cool little kit. Like I said before, I'll have a link down in the description for this kit. Super easy. You know, normally what you would do is polish the car, do one panel at a time, and really, you know, polish, paint correct, clay bar, all that stuff. You have to do a full detail. And then you're gonna lock it in. That's what you use clay for, or that's what you use ceramic coat for, is to lock that stuff down for something that you don't want to play with in a while. So let's go put this on the freaking car. There's the S3 right there. And check out that front carbon fiber front lip. It is looking so damn good. Oh man, let's get this on the car now. We'll work on this rear diffuser. Basically, all we got to do is take the old one off. It's like little clips down here. See how hot the exhaust is first? Oh, it's nice. You don't want to use a knife. I would recommend a screwdriver. Probably a better tool for this. Okay, I'm gonna need a 8 mil. This is the tab. You just pop out this tab, pop out this tab here. Then there's gonna be an 8 millimeter. I think that's an 8 millimeter. Yeah, I think so. 8 mil there. There we go. My trunk's auto opening. You guys hate that feature? Like, it's cool, but to me, it opens randomly for me. I don't like that. I don't know if that happens to you guys, or if that's just something that happens to me. Okay, boom. There we go. There is the stock piece there, and wow, look at that ugly plastic piece. Is the new piece there. You can see it just basically clicks in on the top area. So let's see how it goes. Should just be spot for spot. All right, it's a pretty tight fit, which is good. Oh, hell yeah. I gotta screw that down, but that looks really damn good. Like, look at that. It just breaks it up. It's just what it needs. I may put the carbon fiber trunk lid back on now because the car is lowered and tinted and it's got all the carbon in the front. And now I feel like it can wear that. I took it off because I just felt like the car didn't have enough mods to go with the wing, but now I feel like I can pull it off better. Something else to note, it does use these locations here. So I actually took out 2 more screws. So it's gonna actually mount up better than the stock one. Just give it a little tight torquing. Nothing big. Doesn't need it. It's just basically just to cinch it down. But this is good because certain ones, I know some people have them and they like stick on with double sticky tape. That's not the way you want to go, especially when these cars get going, you know, 150, 160 plus miles an hour, depending on what day it is. If it's Monday, you know, might be 150, I don't know. So literally 4 screws, that one on the outside, 2 in the middle, and then that other one, and boom, you got a freaking just sick looking rear end on this thing. It just looks damn good. Gotta get that out of the way. Let's see. That looks real nice. I like it. Add the high kick back. Now that I have this other stuff, I gotta get some like new 3M. Some new 3M tape, but yeah. I mean, that looks pretty bitchin' from behind. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the high kick spoiler or not? I was just always kind of like, I don't know. Is it too much? Is it too much? Is it not? I don't know. It's kind of one of those like less is more things for me. It's like the rear of this already kind of has that kick. So I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I think the M4 is coming out so sick. I can't wait to get some like wheels and tires and brakes on this thing. Some pads from G-Lock or something, take this thing out to a track day. It'll be sick. We'll talk to you guys soon. Later, and wrench on.